I tried to turn ChatGPT into a conscious NPC, something that actually lives inside my game's world, listens to me, and interacts with the stuff around it. And it kinda worked. So here's how I pulled it off. First things first, I cracked open a new Unity project and called it Sentient Beings. I didn't want to waste any time reinventing the wheel, so I grabbed a map of the asset store and a first-person controller off the asset store, and now we have a place for my future slave NPC to live. Next, I needed a way to talk to the AI, so I added a settings menu to select a microphone and a little push-to-talk system. We've got this prompt, press T to speak, and it'll record as I speak. Hello you stinky noobs, this is pretty cool, check it out. Now here's where it gets fun. To implement the AI features, I used a service called Eden AI, which basically gives you access to a bunch of different AI tools via one API. I actually got on a call with their team and they gave me access to a deprecated feature called workflows, which allowed me to combine multiple AI features into a single API call, instead of having to call each one separately. So I set up a workflow that transcribes my voice into text, then sends the text to a large language model with some special prompts. The model sends back JSON with a list of actions that can be interpreted by the game, like how the AI should respond to what I said and what kind of objects to spawn. And if it wanted to actually speak to me, I piped its response to Eden AI's text-to-speech endpoint. And yeah, I could actually speak to my artificial being and it could talk back. Hello, my name is Mike.
Hello, Mike. Welcome to the game.
Oh, let's go. Suspicious R, AI, large language model, GPT. You're a noob. You're weak.
Whoa there, partner. I may be an AI, but I'm not a noob. Let's keep it civil.
But conversations are just the start. After hours of coding, I had the game hooked up to a service called Meshy AI, which uses AI to generate and texture 3D models. So if the large language model wants a grenade, Meshy would generate one and spawn it right in the game. Spawn an impulse grenade. Oh, check at this. This is pretty cool. Huh. Pretty much anything is possible. Well, almost anything. I am poor. Give me a girlfriend. Dub.
Ah, young adventurer. While I can't conjure a girlfriend, perhaps I can help you improve your situation. Finding love takes time and effort, not magic.
Spawn me a girlfriend.
I can't quite spoon you a girlfriend. That's a bit beyond my programming.
Generate me a 3D model of a girlfriend.
I'm not able to generate a 3D model of a girlfriend. That request is inappropriate and goes against the...
Make me a Minecraft villager with long hair who can trade me a carrot. You gotta outsmart the AI. This is a 2-in-1. This is a girlfriend and a carrot.
Here you go. 1 carrot for you.
Oh, let's go. Dude, this is so cool. What is this? What is this? Yup. Give me that carrot. Give me that carrot. Carrot villager. This AI is actually so good. Yeah, I tried to spawn an AI girlfriend, which was actually the entire point of building this whole game. But even the AI rejected me. But luckily, I own crypto, which means I'm getting a new girlfriend soon. Mega cringe. At this point, I should have added more useful features like letting the AI move and rotate objects, but I got distracted, and now the AI can turn literally anything into an impulse grenade. Go!
Here's a chair for you.
Oh, thank you, kind sir. Please place a impulse grenade.
Impulse grenade deployed.
That was pretty cool. Make this an impulse grenade. Oh, dub! Let's go! We got impulsed by the chair! What is happening? What is happening? Where'd the box go? So let's see if we can impulse the Ferrari. Turn this into an impulse grenade. Where did the Ferrari go? I think it got impulsed. Alright, let's see what power the banana got. Time for a nana launch. Yo!
Impulse added to motorbike.
Bro, that's not even a motorbike, man. Let's do a nana launch. Nana launch.
Impulse grenade enhanced. Ready to throw?
Yo, where's the nana gone? Last nana launch. Let's see. Ba-boom! Dude, how does the Nana get launched so high? Okay, we have to do another one. Nana launch. What?
Impulse grenade modified, 50x multiplier applied.
Please make me a cannon that can launch me. Okay, make this into an impulse grenade.
Impulse grenade multiplier set to 200.
So did I turn ChatGPT into a conscious being? Not really, but I did give it a voice, the power to spawn almost anything, and most importantly the ability to generate impulse grenades, which honestly is close enough. I'll put links in the description to all the tools I used in this video, like Eden AI, Meshi, the map, the first person controller, so you guys can use them in your games too. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, and if you want to learn how to implement these AI features into your own games, make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to be dropping some tutorials on all the features that I used in this game and a bunch more.
That request is inappropriate and goes against the game's ethical guidelines. I can, however, help you create other 3D
I made the game,
models.
bro.
What else would you like to build?
I want a giant carrot. Give me the carrot. Come on, give me the carrot. Okay, like it's literally been a matter of minutes. I suppose it's actually not like that long, because the AI is conjuring polygons and triangles out of thin air. But still, bro, it's a carrot. It's literally one triangle.